SM for life, SM for life is for life. Big up to you. Whoever you are, we say for life. It's another time we have come to enjoy ourselves. This time we want to get ourselves educated a bit. So don't forget, here is SMTV, and I still remain your host, Sir Rich, the only Sir in Shatta movement, the only Sir in the Ghana show business. For life, it's still about education. It's still about training certain techniques that will help us to do effective streaming for Shatta Wale's track towards the GOG album, so that we can do effective streaming. So first of all, I am Sir, and with my Sir background, I want to take you on. So we want to look at what is streaming. Streaming means listening to music or watching video in real time. Instead of downloading the file onto your computer or your streaming device and watch it later. Okay, so we are saying streaming has to do with listening to the music in audio form or watching the video in real time from platforms, okay, online, instead of you downloading the music or the video and watch later. So that is what we mean by streaming. And then what do you need to do your streaming? If you want to stream music, if you want to stream any of Shatta Wale's track, what do you need in order to get the streaming done? You need two basic things. One, you need internet access. That is number one. And two, you also need a streaming device. The streaming device could be your mobile phone, it could be your iPad, it could be your tablet, it could be your desktop computer, it could even be your laptop, your palm top, and all that. They are all streaming devices. So these are the streaming devices. So you need a streaming devices, any of the streaming devices, and then internet access. Then we want to look at how to start streaming. How do you even start streaming? One, you have to plug in your streaming device. When we say plug in, if it is mobile phone, you make sure it is on. If it is any laptop, desktop, if it is iPad or tablet, you make sure it is on. Okay, if you have to plug it directly to get power so that you can on it, so just make sure it is on, and then make sure that your streaming device has energy to sustain it. Then after that, you connect it to the internet. That is number two. Then number three, what you have to do is that you sign in to the streaming app. Okay, all the streamings, we have streaming apps, we'll be talking about them. So you need to sign in to whichever platform you want to use. You make sure you sign in. So we'll be talking about signing in as we move ahead, okay, for life. So streaming apps includes certain platforms that enable us to enjoy audio visuals. When we say audio, that's the songs, okay, and then the videos of them. So we want to look at some of the streaming apps that we have available, so that you can help me for us together to stream Shatta Wale songs as we wait for the GOG album to drop fully. So the first one we want to talk about is Tidal. Okay, so we can use Tidal, that is one. We can use Spotify, that is two. We can use Apple Music, that is three. We can use Deezer, that is four. We can use YouTube Music, that is five. We can use Amazon Music, that is six. We can use Audiomack, that is seven. We can use Boomplay. Okay, so these are just to mention few. These are some of the popular platforms that Shatta Wale keeps on dropping his songs, his videos, that you and I have to learn, or you and I ought to learn, so that we can use these streaming apps to support his music career. As Shatta movement fans, as Ghanaians, as Africans, we can do more streaming for him. And then let's look at how to sign up for the Spotify. Okay, we'll be doing educational lessons on the various platforms, but we want to start with the Spotify. How do we even sign up? When we say sign up, that is the first steps of registering onto the platform. That is getting yourself registered onto the platform is what we call sign up. So if you are signing up, it means that you are using any of the platforms and you are beginning to put on your information, loading your information for you to have access to the platform to do a successful streaming. So the first time you want to use it, and whatever information you put in order to have access, is what we call sign up or signing up. The process is signing up, but the action is sign up. Okay. So we say sign up. So with Spotify that we're starting with, the first thing you have to do is that make sure you get the app on your desktop or mobile phone or the iPad or the tablet, as your streaming device, any of them, and then you can use any of the web player. When we say web player, the software that enable us to get access to internet search and all that, so we call them web players. So make sure that you get the app on your web player on your streaming device. Then after that, you create your account. That is Spotify. You create your account. With Spotify, you can create the account or sign up with fresh information, and we will come back to the next step, that you can use Facebook also to sign up. Okay, so you sign up with your email. For you to sign up with your email, what you have to do is that, one, select sign up. So click on sign up. If you want to use your email to do the registration or to sign up, click on sign up. Then 2, you enter and confirm your email. You enter your email, you confirm the email. Okay, you see a column indicated email and confirmation, email confirmation. Make sure that you put the email there and you confirm it by re-entering the email on the next step. Then after that, you choose a password, a password of your choice that you can remember, so that whenever you want to sign in after your first sign up, then you can have, it can allow you to have access to the platform easily. You don't need to be putting up more information. So with a signing up, put in your email, you confirm your email. After that, you choose your password. You can choose to enter more details. There are other details that are not compulsory, but sometimes it's good to put them in, so that in case you forget your password, those information can assist you to get in. So you can choose to enter more details like gender, date of birth, or what we should call you, that is your display name. Okay, you can put your display name. That is it. Let's note something. Your display name is for show. It is different from your username. Your display name is different from your username. This is if you want to sign up with your email address on Spotify. You put in the email, you make sure you confirm the email, you choose or you produce your password. Then after that, you input some details if you wish, like gender, date of birth, display name, and others, how you want to be called. Then they will generate the username for you. Then if you want to make changes with the username, you can do that. Then apart from that, apart from using your email to sign up, you can also use Facebook to sign up on Spotify. So for Facebook to be used to sign up on Spotify, we say select sign up with Facebook. Select sign up with Facebook instead of just sign up. Select sign up with Facebook, or in some web browsers too, you will see continue with Facebook, especially on mobile phones. When you are using mobile device, they will tell you continue with Facebook. But if you are using laptop, desktop, and others, they will tell you sign up with Facebook. Then it means that you want to use your Facebook information that are already in the browser to input or to sign up the Spotify. So if you select that, then if you are not already logged on to Facebook device, then you have to do that. Okay, so you have to log in into your Facebook so that it will redirect the Facebook informations from the Facebook site to the Spotify. Already with the Facebook, you have much of the information there, so it will just help you to do that. So sign up with Facebook or continue with Facebook. If you are already logged in, then fine, it will direct them. If you are not to, you are encouraged to make sure you sign in with the Facebook so that it can help you to redirect the information onto Spotify so that it can help you to complete the process. So That is the number 2 way of signing up on Spotify, with your email, with your Facebook information. And then the third one, or the last one I want to talk about, is sign up with phone. You can also sign up with phone by signing up with phone on Spotify to help stream Shatta Wale songs. What you have to do is that enter your mobile phone number, then after that they will send you authentication code, then you use the code and re-input, and then it will help you to have access to Spotify. So fellow SM fans, fellow youth, music lovers, fellow Africans, fellow human beings, we say SM for life. This is the little education we want to do, and we are doing here on SMTV when it comes to streaming, and we have just begun with Spotify. So if you didn't get any of the steps, just go back and play this video that is going to be uploaded on YouTube and other platforms for you to have access. So just do that and help us stream. So this is just for streaming introduction and Spotify signing up, so that you can have access to the streaming. But don't forget, we'll bring you part 2, part 3, part 4, and the rest other episodes that will help you to understand streaming onto more platforms. Don't forget, let's go together, unite ourselves and stream and help push Shatta Wale's track. This is SMTV, and I remain your host, Sir Rich, Sir Rich, the only Sir in Shatta Movement for Life.